Hi, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, everybody. My name is Albert Tan from Download Silo. And today we have a guest from this India. His name is Ram Sahu. Ram, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Okay, I'm fine too. So let's say welcome to all. Welcome all the audience. Which are actually already here. Let me check how many of them are here. I think we have five of them actually, or maybe six now. Everybody is coming in. So, guys, before we start, let me tell you what is today's agenda. So, today we have a co-founder and also a CEO of this StoryScraper from India. So, his name is Ram Sahu, and he will actually demo to you how to convert. Uh, I mean, use automation to make sure that all the web story become very engaging. So before we actually start, let me do some housekeeping. As usual, I would like you to click this link. Kindly show your profile photo and also name while commenting by clicking the link wave.video/live Facebook. So I believe most of you know what to do. So for those who are here in the first time, please do so that we know who are you and also can see your photo while you're commenting. So, okay, I see a lot of people here already. So, without further delaying, I would like to ask Ram a few warming up questions so that everybody get to know him better. Ram, just tell us where are you from? Why do you want to start up this software called StoryScraper?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Albert. So, hello everyone. Myself Ram Sau, the CEO and co-founder of StoryScraper. So, StoryScraper is basically a one-click AI-powered web story automation tool, and it helps you to scrap web stories from URL or from keywords, and it also helps you to convert your old blog post or any news article related or product based web story. And the best part thing is it helps you to automate those web stories, right? So I will show you in this webinar how to set up story scraper for the keyword to story to post to story. As a link to story is a common use method, and I hope for people uh, are aware of this, right? So Albert, may I share the screen?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, we have about maybe 15 people already in the audience, so that's good. And I
Yeah,
think
that's good.
more
That's
people
good.
are coming in. So, okay, your screen is there. Let me show it to the audience. Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so as you know, this is the official site storyscraper.io, and this is the only and fast web story automation tool currently available in the world, right? So if you scroll down, you can browse all the features available on this storyscraper.io. Like say I just said link to story, keywords to story, and post to story. We will gonna see these premium three key features, or you can say premium add-on tools, right? So later there is a couple of or more than more features available in the tool, which is hidden actually, but you can use it in a very seamlessly. I will show you how. And also if you click on this whole feature, then you will find all the available features on StoryScraper. Like AI content spinning, 100% user and SEO friendly, 100% AMP supported, and AI text translation. You can publish your web stories in your regional language or any local language you want, right? Then you can connect your websites multiple at a time, and the images will be high quality image uploading by the AI. And schedule scrapping is a upcoming feature, but it's coming soon, very soon. Okay. And other features like say powerful integration, we have also last month we have integrated the chat gpt API, right? So I will show you to that actually. So without delay, let me log in first. Okay, I have already logged in here. Okay, no problem. Okay, so once you log in, you will find this attractive UI of this dashboard. and you will find four options actually for the first time. And if you have a total newbie, then you can start a starting a tour guide so that you can understand every features about this tool on this dashboard, right? So first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected your WordPress site. Once you click on this link WordPress, so you will have two options. First one is the via REST API option, and second one is the plugin option, by which you can connect. You just download the plugin and upload to your WordPress website, and then put your StoryScraper ID and password, and it will be connected, right? So that's the easiest method. But we have already we have just recommended all the users to connect via REST API, because most of the time some images are not like say your hosting server is different, right? So they can block, right? So that's why my REST API is the safest way, and this is the best way to link your WordPress. So in the REST API section, you just need to put your website URL and URL of your logo and username of your WordPress username, right? And the user application password, you should generate this. Let me show you how we can generate this actually. So just to generate the user application password, you just need to go to your WordPress, then all users and profile section, then just scroll a little bit. Then you will find this section application passwords, where you can easily create application password. So make sure you just give any random name just to understand which it is connected or not, right? So let's see. Okay, then click on add new application password, and it will give you a temporary application password, and make sure to copy it and paste it here, right? So this is the easiest way to connect your REST API, and it is the safest way, right? So once you connected your website, then go to back your dashboard, and you have a then three tools which are the key features of the StoryScraper, right? So most of the people which are already using our tool, they are using link to story, which is our main core feature. That means link to story means you can scrap any Google Web story from any website, right? And by URL, just by putting their URL, right? And when you click on the link to story, you will get a small form you need to fill up, or you can say you can set it up just for the first time, as we have introduced to last week. User preference upgrade, so that the AI can understand and remember your last previous setup, right? So let me show you how to set up this. So in the first section, you will get two options. First one is the bulk story, and second one is the single story, right? So the story actually, let me differentiate about this bulk story and what is single story. Let me open a example, right? Okay, so I have this website as for example hindustantimes.com/web stories. So as you can see, just a second. Okay, so as you can see on this URL slash web hyphen stories, you will get a number of a lot of web stories available on this page, right? So this URL is called bulk web story, right? So if you want to copy it, then go back to your StoryScraper link to story tool and select bulk story and paste it here, right? Then you will you just need to paste the URL here. Okay, nothing else. So next you need to select your number of slides and etc, etc. But before that, let me tell you what is single story. Single story means once you open a story from those bulk story page, then you will get a story having a number of slides, right? It may be a image or anything like that, and like it is a video, right? So that's the thing. So if you want to scrap this particular story, then you need to select or copy this website URL, and then go back to your link to story tool, then select single story and paste it here, right? So it is all the easiest way to scrap a story, right? So later, then you need to select the number of slides, add CTA button where you want to add your call to action button on the last slide, or you can also place the CTA button on every slides of the story, right? And then you need to specify your call to action link and call to action text, right? Then you can also remove any text from the story by using a hyphen, like say here. Some of the story has their titles in their story content, right? So you just need to put a hyphen and then the title or anything, the text you want to remove from the story, right? So next one is the category name. You just make sure to create a category fast. So for that, let me show you fast how to create a category on your WordPress site. So okay, to create your web story category for your web story specifically, you just make sure that you have installed a plugin that's called Google Web Stories. Because as we said, StoryScraper is a automation tool for Google Web Story only. Currently, it supports only Google Web Stories. Other platforms stories are coming soon. So for now, we will see the web stories. So you just make sure that you have installed this web stories plugin by Google, so that you can find those stories and you can manage those stories on your WordPress. So just to show you how to create a category. Once you active that Google Web Stories plugin, then you just have this story section on your WordPress navbar. Then you will find this category section, and you can create any category here, right? And then make sure that the category name will be same here. You can put it here, and then you will have this text color customization part, like the select text color. You can select any color from your according to your brand. Okay, then the select background color. Now background color means the text background color here. Okay, so you can select any color here. And as well as the background opacity, you can choose from transparent to 100% for solid background. And you can also select the border style and the border width style of the width, right? And also the best part is the you can also select your default AI as a chat GPT. As you know, we have a integrated the chat GPT integration last month, so you can easily add your own open AI API, so that you can select it here, right? So for now, let me select the default. Then which plugin? As I said, it only supports WebSphere plugin by Google, right? So next, the Google translation API. You can select your own language. That means, let's say this story is in English language, right? And you want to convert them in Hindi or anything like yeah, other language, like you have a regional language Spanish. Okay, so you can select it here, right? If you don't selected anything, and just selected default, so that it can scrap like this. Like say it has an English language, then the output of the story will be English, right? So this is the link to story. And next last one is the here select your website, so that your story will be published on their site. And you can also set the status, right? Publish or draft. So then select on the start magic. So let me click OK. So once you click on that, the scrapping will be started, and you will get a random ID as well as the status and the website which the story will be gonna publish, right? So let me show how to actually track the real status of the scrapping, whether it is going on or not. So for that, you just need to go back to your WordPress website, then media section, library, and you will get images getting uploaded in the last or latest time, right? So like you see, the first image just uploaded 5 seconds ago, and keep refreshing, so that the more images will be coming here, and it will get the real status of the story. So once it's done, the status will be showing here published, and it might take only 1 to 3 minutes for a single story. So that's the link to story tool. Yeah, Albert. Sorry. Yes, I can hear you. Your mic might be muted. Yeah, perfect. No, still no sound. Hello. No, sorry, you are not audible. Okay, no problem, Albert. You can check your mic. In that meantime, let me show you other tools, right? So that I just won't get bored. Okay. So friends, let me show you other tools, other both tools. Okay, so we have just shown the link to story, and as you saw, the status got published, right? So let me show you the final output. Just go back to the all story section, or also you can go to back to our dashboard section, okay, and you will get the latest story. So just open it in a new tab, and you can see the story, right? So now you have a confusion question, right, that might be arising in your mind. That is why this story has three slides, as we have selected only nine, right? So let me answer this that question actually first, so that most of the people can get clarified about this. So let me show you. As you see, this story has a one video, two, okay, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So most of the slides are actually of videos, right? And to be for your information, let me tell you that StoryScraper only scraps only image slides, right? So for now, it does not support video slides, and we are working on that to support to make it support for video slides, so that it can scrap those videos and publish to your website, right? So it will take a little bit time, but will be coming on our tool, right? So link to story, we just grabbed a single story from a third-party website and published in our own site in just one click, right? So that's the power of the link to story of StoryScraper, right? So there are other two couple a couple of premium add-on key tools, that is keyword to story and the post to story. Okay, so most of the users when they come back to us and ask us about the whether where will they get those links to scrap the story, right? So to simplify that, we have just developed that alternative to link to story, that is keyword to story. That means you just need to put a keyword and it will find and scrap a story and publish in your website, right? And that will be gonna possible only in one click. So that's the magic of StoryScraper actually. So let me show you how to get a story for your keyword. So let's we have a keyword Sunny Leon, as we just scrapped that story from a third party website on that topic. So let me type that. Okay, so I have just typed a keyword, then selected a random slides. The best will be 7 to 8 or 9. It all depends on your choice, right? Then you can also select the CTA button placement, like you can also show on all slides, or you can also show on large slide, right? Then you just need to put your any call to action link. Yeah, it might be your landing page, it might be your product link page, or anything like that. Okay, so then select the or configure or write your call to action text, right? Then give a category name. Just let me select general. Then text color. Let me okay white. Uh, 1 minute. Let me mark the red color. Yeah, yellow with background black. 100%. Largely, okay, before I go, perfect. Everything now is perfect. Then click on Start Magic. So once you click on that Start Magic, let me show you the backend process. So what actually StoryScraper does in this case, right? So the AI will go the AI bot will go to the search engines on Google, okay, and though AI will search on this keyword Sonilion, and it will find a valid wastage, right? If there is no enough, like say, if there is not enough storage available on search engines, then the AI might be end up getting a failed result, or it will throw a error, like say please try again, or please try another keyword, right there. Okay, so that's a common query, because most of the users we saw that they use any particular custom keywords, like say they have a brand which means there is not a valid web storage on available on the Google. So in that case, the AI will not find any valid web storage, and that's why it can't scrap any storage. So for now, it's showing the status scrapping. So the same method to check the real status of the scrapping, you just need to go back to your WordPress website, then go back to the media section, then we'll find the latest story slides or images being uploaded to our website, right? So as you can see, the images are getting uploaded, right? So let's back to the dashboard. Okay, so there is no currently the status showing is scrapping. So let it be published, so that you can view that direct publish postage on your website. Okay, And a common question I want to be clear here. So most of the people are commonly asking about us, whether the stories are stored in our server on their server. So to be clear that the stories are actually hosted on your server, because StoryScraper just helps you automate those, or automate those stories and publishes on your website, right? So we don't have any data regarding your stories related, right? So we have just a history record, which you can find on your dashboard section, home section, right? Let me show you that. You can find the last scrapped or published web stories on your website, and date, with date and type. Okay, so you can find it there. But the stories are actually hosted on your website. So okay, so I think that story got published. Yeah, uh, just a second. It will take a little bit more second to fetch. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let me refresh. Yes, the latest story just got published. If you want to open this in a new tab, and you can find, yeah, the background is black and the text color is white. And for your information, we are working on the editor part as well as the website template part, so that you can customize on these templates. You can add more fancy styles, related text or color customization, etc. Right? On just from your storage couple, no need to open your WordPress, and don't do anything, right? So that's the magic part is coming in very soon. Okay, so I guess Albert mic got solved, right?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Perfect.
No, I have to refresh the browser because this thing happened.
Yeah,
So,
no, yeah, that's okay. Yeah,
okay, guys, before we actually go into more discussion and also question and answer time, let me remind you a few things. So, I think some people, when they come in, they didn't give permission to this web video to show your name and photo. So please click this link, is it inside the chat? So that we can actually see you, and also read your face rather than we're talking to somebody there is no face, no name, that kind of thing. So please do that. And also we would like to remind that if you don't show your face, your name, we will not enter you into the giveaway. I mean that should be the way, or else when everybody will be looking for giveaway only and do not participate. Okay, let's move. We have quite a number of questions. Let me ask Ram to go through one by one. Okay,
yeah, yeah. Can you just please highlight that question so that I
yeah,
can?
I will just
Yeah,
put it up. Okay, can you read that in the
yeah,
screen?
yeah. I can
Okay.
find it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, the story to video feature is going live. Yeah, it's coming very soon, and we are in the testing phase. I just informed by my team yesterday. Actually, I had another webinar yesterday. So, in yesterday morning, the team informed me about the testing phase of the story to video feature. So it's coming soon.
So Ram, you say very soon means how soon? Tomorrow or after
Might
tomorrow?
be 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, that is
Okay.
no particular ETA, but it can be very soon.
Yeah. Okay, 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So this question is by Pravas.
Okay, I understand this requires Google plugin as a prerequisite. Okay, so how are you planning to accommodate any changes which Google may roll out in future? Okay, so as we have already in our roadmap that we are working on the expanding our tools or functions, like you are working from scrapping to white label work, right? So we are expanding to social media stories as well as the video sections, so that other or our early adopter or the previous users can be get bored or like that. They don't feel any wastage of money, right? So by using our tool, if Google changes anything related, like if Google stop the boosted part in future after going 5 to 10 years, right? So we have already a backup.
Okay, good. Let's move to this question by Larry. What is the load effect of a WP plugin?
I didn't get that. What is load effect? What do
Maybe
you mean?
the speed. Would it is affect the speed of the
Boosting the
website?
animation.
Come again?
Uh, no, no. What is the load effect? I didn't get that actual question. Can you please elaborate, Larry?
Yeah. I mean, I guess it's because of whether it will affect the speed loading, or maybe the loading of your story. I'm not sure.
Yeah, if that so if the question related to that story animation, then that's the pre-built animations are available in those story club. Yeah.
Okay, maybe while waiting for Larry to clarify, let's move to the next question by this Sujit. Can we bring
Can
him
we
in the
download
room?
the images so we can report for them? For now, you can't, but in the story to video features, you can easily download those slides as the image as well as the video. So you can then report for them.
Okay. Okay, right now I think we are not able to do it
Yeah,
in the
it's a
non-WordPress
trick
side, right?
question. Yeah. So for now, StoryScraper only support WordPress sites. So we are working on the Shopify integration as well as on other third-party platforms like Wix, Blogger. So these are coming soon. There is no particular way. I don't want to share anything related to timing for now because the team is working very hard and whether they will launch and I will announce in our community.
Okay, when it come to this kind of timeline and all this thing, Ram, do you have a public roadmap so you can show to
Yeah,
the?
yeah, we have a public roadmap. How can I share it here?
Just share the screen and go to your tab.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Just a minute.
You have to share your screen first, huh?
Yeah, just sharing that. Just a minute. Yes, perfect.
Okay,
So
it's coming up.
okay, so here you can check every related on currently in progress
Hold on,
features.
hold on. It's not shown yet. Yeah, now it's shown.
Okay, okay, that's fine. Okay. So you can see we are working on the templates as well as the editor part, which is the most requested features by our almost every user. So then you will find the software integrations for ecom story, and you will find some other add-on features like translation, DPL translation. We are talking about this here, right? And the improved UI UX, of course, and some other features like exporting features, iframe and API for third-party tools. Okay, and the social media features is not mentioned here because it is a public roadmap, but in the up next, so it is coming actually very quickly, but it is not mentioned in here. Okay, so that's fine. Hello, sorry, you were not audible, Albert. Please check your mic, Albert. No. Okay, so Albert has a little bit technical issue with his mic, so let him wait. Okay, so okay, let me take one question by one. I
Okay,
guess.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, perfect. You are perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, because I think the whatever the browser keep on detecting the other mic, so
Okay, okay.
sometimes
That's
this happen. Okay,
so.
let's move to the next question. Hold on, we have a few other questions. Okay, how do we see the analytics for the stories?
It's very simple. As a StoryScraper, just only automates your Google Web Stories. So you can add your analytics in your Google Web Stories plugin. Let me show you so that you can understand it here. So you just need to go to your stories and then settings. Then you can add your Google Analytics ID, right? And as well as you can also upload your default logo and insert your font also. Okay, if you have a custom fonts also. And you can also montage your Google AdSense. Like if you have a Google AdSense or ad manager, you can add your ad slot ID and as well as the publisher ID. So it's simple. And for WooCommerce site, specifically for e-com on WordPress website, then you can select their connect. They can select the Shopify or WooCommerce site here, right? So it's very simple.
Okay, thank you. Native Mia. Yeah, this is only on WP side
Yes,
only.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. For now, it only supports WordPress version.
GPT GPT-4.
Okay, so for GPT use, we yes, you just need to add your own OpenAI API key. Okay, because you can get a free API from OpenAI. It gives $5 credits. I remember, right? So if you want me to show that how to add a OpenAI API, I can show you.
Yeah, please show because some people might not know. Are you showing the screen?
Just a minute.
Okay, now your
Okay,
screen is there.
yeah, perfect. So you just need to go to your integration and chat GPT, and you can find steps to generate your OpenAI API key. Also, you can sign up here, right? And you just need to copy that API and put it on. Let me show. I guess I have a account on this browser. Let me log in. Yeah. So you just need to go to your profile, then view API case, and you will find here, right? And if you want to create, if there is no API keys, then you can just create a new API key, like say test true or anything. You can name it, and then create new and copy that API and put it here, right? Then click on that add section, add button, and it will be added here, right? As we have already a API added, so you can also add it, and you can add multiple API keys so that our tool can detect one by one. If let's say your first API, say you just got completed, right? It's $5 credit just completed, or like say it is expired, right? So the tool will automatically select the second API for your story creation, right? So that's the best part.
Okay, that's cool. So next question by Mohan. But I do not know why you want to create disposable web story, So once you create disposable, then people
Can
will
you get
cannot index it,
disposable? That gets disposed after certain. No, you can select any, or you can install any third-party plugin to delete those web storage from your WordPress website. So that all depends on users. Yeah.
No, I mean, Ram, I was wondering why do you want to create disposable web story? Because you're supposed to index it, get people to come back
Yeah,
and see your
yeah, correct.
story. So Mohan, please tell us what is your use case. If you want to,
Might be they might be running out of the sometimes because web storage takes a little bit more space in your hosting server, right? So that might be a reason. I guess that.
oh, I see. Okay, okay. Sam from USA.
Okay, on the edge. Okay, please tell which business it is. Uh, okay, so let me tell you the use cases of the storage scraper. So, in a short, if you are a digital content creator, right, or like you are a blogger or an affiliate marketer, you can easily use storage scraper to automate or create a web storage from your computer website post to web story, or you can also scrap their web storage and add your own links, like say I have just shown how to integrate the AdSense ads so that you can monetize those web stories. Just to let you know that web stories actually is a method of getting instant traffic from organic, right? So that's the best part of the web story. So in a traditional SEO, what it happens that though you write a content, you index it, then you just optimize those SEO, and then you create backlinks like that. So it takes a lot of time, right? So but in the web stories part, you can just create a web stories by scrapping any competitors web story that gets traffic already, or it's getting traffic, right, in a particular trending niche, right? Then you can just publish on your website, and it booms. It takes a little bit more time, like 1 to 2 hours, if your site is indexed quickly, right? And you will get enough traffic. So in the second use cases, if you are a e-com site, right? As we are integrating the Shopify integration, which is coming soon, by the way. So you can easily create a web story for your products, right? You can add your product links directly. You can convert your already users. You will get free users from Google. Then you can convert them by using your landing page, right? So that's the case. And other agency owners, like they, if they have a multiple clients, like say 100 or 200 of clients, they are managing their websites, so they can use web stories to bring instant traffic, so that they can be happy and they can grow their business, right? So that's the main case. And the all everything, if someone is investing in a tool, like if they are creating any contents, or why are they creating those content? Because they need some traffic, right? So that they can increase their business, right? So that's the thing. So yeah, most of the business are using our tool actually.
Okay, so basically, I mean, this is some of the use cases, to actually monetize it.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, let's move to the next question by Justin. Tough to
yeah,
know if I
same,
can use it or
same.
not. So, I mean, you already explained. So, okay, how many sites can we use it? So I do not know who is this guy. How many sites? Oh, sorry.
You can link according to the plan. If you choose any individual plan, then you can link at a time five websites. So if you have any higher plan like business or enterprise, so you will get higher website links.
Okay,
So it all depends on the pricing. Yeah.
Ram, I noticed that there's only one tier in AppSumo site. So how are you going to stack?
Okay, I got it. I got it. So, okay, for your information, let me tell you, we don't support code stacking. Code stacking. If you have a individual AppSumo LTD and you want to upgrade those plans, right? You can contact our support team by support at storyscraper.io. It's a simple, and you can ask them for discounts. Like if they can give you up to 30% discount on LTD plans. Okay, so that's the best thing. That means we provide the private LTD in for higher plans for now. But if you don't want to buy from us, then wait for the AppSumo Select campaign that will be coming very soon.
Okay. So in short, just contact Ram, or the support team, then they will guide you how to do it. Yeah, that's easier because I was shocked, to see that there's only one. You cannot
Yeah,
you
yeah.
cannot
We are
stand.
actually we are just testing the AppSumo marketplace, because we already had a discussion about the AppSumo Select campaign first, but we just informed them that we want to test your platform so that we can make the right decision whether we should go for AppSumo Select or not. So that's the case.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think this question was answered. How do we see the analytics, right?
Yeah, we have
So
just answered that question.
okay, Mohan asks, can we define a global logo or image? Which is
Yeah, you can define your global logo as I share my screen and show you to add your default logo on storage
yeah.
plugin setting as well as in our StoryScraper tool. You can add your logo URL while setting your site link. Let me show another again. Let me show. Let me,
So this is kind of a watermark, no?
yeah, yeah. Okay, so here is the Google Web Store setting. You can add your public logo, like I have a default anyone or anything like that. So okay, so you can add it here, right? And as well as if you want to add it from our website, then you just need to go to my sites, link new site, then make sure you add your logo URL like this. Okay, so you just copy. You just need to upload that logo in your website first. Then you just copy that link of that image or logo and put it here, right? While linking your website. So that's the case. Easiest way.
Okay, thank you, Ram. Let me show them the what you call this giveaway participation form, so that they can actually give their name and also the email address to us, so that we can actually draw it in the last 5 minutes before we
Yeah.
end. So, guys, go to this link and participate if you want to. If you do not want, no problem. I mean, the prizes will be stamped up also. So let me go to the next question. Okay, can we target by geographical area?
Yeah, you can target just by using any training keyword in your any geographical location. Like let's say in India there is a currently word trending in, right. So you can search that keyword on Google and find some web stories and scrap them. So that's the case. You can get geographic traffic.
Okay, Joyce Chung was asking, apart from analytics and WordPress, what else you actually do some integration? What other?
Okay, so some interesting integration are coming soon in the next. Like one is Shopify integration. Second one will be editor as well as the image and video integration for post to story tool, right? So you will get those integration fast.
This is interesting question.
Yeah, tell
I
me.
don't know who asked, because they gave you a permission.
Uh, if the user has purchased StoryScraper from two different platforms, how can if you want to merge or combine that, first of all, we don't support code stacking, right? And unfortunately, if you have bought that code from two different platforms, like we have last month we have launched on Peach Ground platform, right? And if you unfortunately miss that refund period and you want to keep that code, then you can easily create a new account on StoryScraper with that code, and again you just need to create this another new account just to create, as we don't support code stacking.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Sujit was commenting because some story are time specific. Oh,
Yeah,
disposable
definitely,
story.
definitely. Some stories are time specific because web stories works on the training needs, right? If there is not any freshness in your content, then Google won't emphasize you, right? So that's the case. Just make sure that your web stories are training one on topics, trending topics, and you the stories are quality, right? That's the case.
Okay, so Joyce was saying, is disposable similar to
No,
storage?
no, no, no. I guess Joyce might not know about more about web stories. So I want to suggest him to explore about web stories, because in the social media story, what it happens actually, the story stays for 24 hours, right? And it will show to your only your followers and your friends, right? But in the web stories in your website, right? So the stories remain forever in your website until the training of that keyword uh, goes less or anything like that, or completely down, right? So that's the case.
Yeah, I mean that's explain the difference.
Yes, yes.
How long is your campaign in AppSumo?
Um, uh, to be honest, we are aiming to for a amount of number of a certain amount of funding just to stay. So for now, we have not reached yet. So don't worry. When we will end this campaign, we will inform all the users before 3 to 7 days. So no, it's
I mean, just give people some advance notice. At least a few days.
yes, yes,
People come back,
yes.
then the thing is gone.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Mohan is explaining the disposable. There are
Time
tons of it.
sensitive stories.
Okay,
What
that
sense?
makes sense.
Uh, No, I guess no. Web stories don't stay for disposable web stories, because it is not like that social media story, right? As the web stories remain in your hosting and in your site forever, you can delete those or you can keep those after the training of the topic. Okay, it all depends on.
Okay, thank you. Please explain 2,000 stories a month. I mean,
Okay, okay, that's a good question. Actually, most of the people just get confused on that part. So we have just mentioned that 2,000 credits are is equal to 2,000 stories, right? But it's actually valid only for two tools. There are add-on tools, that is link to story and keyword to story. Also, these tools takes a minimum effort or resources to create a web story from your URL or a keyword, right? But in the post to stories, your post to story tool, it takes a little bit more resources, and it tries to rewrite more efficiently and gives you and convert a blog post to story, right? So it takes a little bit more resources, so that's why it charges you 5 credits for each successful story, right? So that's the case. So that means you can post if you want to post 2000 stories for every month. Then you just make sure that you use link to story and keyword to story tool, right? And if you want to use only post to story tool, then you can maximum publish 400 stories per month, right? So this is the difference.
Okay, guys, I just want to check. Are you able to what I call to sign up the form in the this giveaway form? I don't see anybody names there. Let me check. Just let me know. Maybe some error happening around. Can somebody just let me know? So the form is submitted, but then I don't see any. Okay, that's funny.
Might be some error, I think.
Yeah, there might be some error. I'm not sure because it doesn't show in the backend. You know. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
hold on. Let me check. Okay. Oh yeah, I got it. So I need time to sort it out. So the meantime, just answer some of the question. So
Yeah, yeah.
Sam, you want to go there? Please go yourself. Okay. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, Sam. Ram. Can you please continue while I sort out the what I call these names from the backend?
Okay, okay. So let me scroll a little bit down. Okay, okay. First one is Joyce Cheng, right? You got it?
You can check the question on the live chat on the right hand side.
Okay, there is a question from Andy Lam. Can we control the number of stories to be created or posted for website? Yes, you can control number of stories. In the bulk story, the story scraper scraps only maximum 20 stories. Okay, for every task. Uh, okay, and in the single story, you can it's only scraps only one story. So okay, is there anything? Okay, how do you validate unethical and illegal stories? There may be images that are sensitive. Yeah, it's sometimes because StoryScraper needs a little bit input from your end, so make sure you just check that things like if a story has any illegal stories or any unethical images or contents, you better skip that part, right? Or you skip that URL and continue continue scrapping other stories, right? So that a little bit common sense you need to use before scrapping the stories. Okay, so is there any other questions? Guys, please ask your questions so that I can answer you. Okay, where can we source web stories on the web from Andilium? Yeah, that's a good question. You can find web stories from by using a let me show you first how to find. There is a search operator, right? You just make sure put this slash web stories. First of all, you just when you put this, then you will find all the sites of which have a tld.com and having web storage plugin used, right? So you can find you can as you can see check more than 1 lakh 1 crore, I think. Yeah, results are available on the Google, right? Who are using web storage currently. And if you want find some specific, like say if we have a keyword like we are going with Sunny, right? Then nature. Yeah, just keep it in your double inverted comma, then you will find. So there is a 4,000 plus results available on that keyword on Sunillion, right? So you won't find any one of these stories and scrap them. Okay, so
Okay, yeah, we can
this
see
is the
that.
way. Yeah.
Oh, this is Bollywood.
So this is the way of source web stories from web. Okay. Okay, is
Okay,
there any questions, guys? Please ask me.
any more questions? Okay, I think we can show you the screen now. Let me share the
Yeah,
real
perfect.
screen. Okay, hold on. Let me give me a few seconds. So these are the people who have actually submitted the form. So let me check who are the repeated names or maybe double entry. Let's cancel this. Okay, so we have five prices today. So all these are tier one, $29 worth in Epsom. So we'll spin five times. Okay, so Ram, are you ready? Ready? We
Yeah,
can just
yeah,
spin.
I am ready. Let's start it. Yeah, it is fun actually. I just love it.
Sam,
Sam Jasani, congratulations. Welcome.
congratulations, Sam. Are you there to claim your prize, Sam? Hello, please type your name.
Yeah, someone is commenting. My name is missing from Vijayanand Krishna.
I mean, I do not know. Some people say that because the link is actually there, so we cannot see it. So I do not know whether are you seeing it wrong or what. So Sam, congratulations. Please type your name next time. Yeah, this is your name. Okay, let's remove your name. Let's spin the second time.
Screen got white.
Oh, hold on. I do not know why. Let me put it up again. Sometimes it happen.
Yeah, that's okay. That's normal. No,
Hold on,
it's
hold on.
a technical error. Yeah.
I mean, the screen just disappear. Hold on. I have to gather the name again. Hold on. Give me a second because I think the screen disappear. Just close by itself.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just a minute, Albert.
I will share again. Okay, it's back here. Okay, just now we have Sam Jasani. Sam, I just remove your name because this is manual. Okay, we have to spin the second time. So sorry guys. Let's do it now. We are running short of time. Ngọc Nguyen from Vietnam. So are you there, Ngọc Nguyen? Just type your name if you are there to claim your prize. Okay, who is double name? I'm not too sure. Sometimes we just miss out. Just tell me who is double name. Okay, Ngọc, you are there. Congratulations. Remove your name. Testing form. I do not know who is testing it. 2DS Wong. Okay, let me check. Yeah. Is there any double name? No. Okay, let's do it. Third spin. Shuffle again. This is Jadip Haria. I guess. Jadip, please type your name to claim your form, to claim your prize. Jadip. Okay, congratulations. So just remove your name. So we have two more prizes, right? Sam, Ngọc Nguyen, Jadip. So this is the fourth prize. Let's shuffle again. Phong Nam Nguyen. Oh, so both of you have the same family name. Ngọc Nguyen, Phong Nam Nguyen, both from Vietnam. Are you there, Phong Nam Nguyen? You might have left. Yes, she's there. Congratulations. So we have the last prize now. So first one is Sam. So second is Ngọc Nam Nguyen. Third one is JD Bharia, and the last one is Dong Nam Nguyen. Okay, let's spin it. The last one, guys. Mary
So,
Morrison.
yeah, congratulations, Mary.
We don't have many ladies around actually. Mostly are men.
That's a good part. Yeah. Thanks to
So
you, actually, Albert. You have created an amazing community.
Mary calling you. Oh yeah, you
Yeah,
are there.
she's here. Yeah. Welcome, Mary.
Okay, congratulations. So let's remove the share. And before we end our webinar proper, so I would like to say thank you to everybody who actually come here to participate and ask a lot of questions. And also, of course, need to thank this Ram for being here with us and also explaining, without fail, all the questions and also doubts. And before we end, I would like to ask Ram, do you have any parting words with the audience or anything you want to say to the audience?
Uh, yeah, actually, thanks to you, Albert, first. So you have given a very important chance to represent our tool in our community. So that's a good thing. And thanks everyone who have joined us live. It is great to see you for your interest and for your support. So thank you everyone.
Okay. Yeah, don't forget, if you don't win, you can actually go to Epsumo and buy it. This is I mean, it's actually very cheap. $39.
Yeah,
It's very very cheap. So please, go to this link and support Ram, and we'll see you again in the next video, and we'll announce the winner tomorrow. Bye bye.